Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about convergence and divergence. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about the root test in here. So I will put about an equals to this one. So we can use about the limit and approach to positive infinity, and we put about n root, and we put inside the absolute value of an. So I will put this one goal here, and we know that this one they can be positive or negative. So if we put outside the absolute value, you got about positive. So if we simplify the square root, that is about 1/2. So we can put like this. So when n go to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. 0 is smaller than number 1. So that means this is about convergence. This is the end. Thank you for watching.